Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day on this Easter Sunday, especially if you celebrate Easter. It is very different for me this year, living in a country where Easter is not the norm. It's not celebrated by a lot of people, and while there are some like random, yeah. For me, it's been different this year. Obviously living in Qatar, which is a Muslim country, Easter isn't really celebrated here, and while you will find some decorations and candy in the grocery store, that's really the extent of the Easter celebration here. So yeah, this holiday has been a lot quieter for me this year, especially coming from Louisiana where it's really celebrated. They even have a parade and everything. But here it's very much under the radar, so it's just a different experience, and I'm still happy to celebrate the Easter season, even if it is a lot less involved in the day-to-day life of people that live here. So for this week's video, I wanted to give you guys a tour of my apartment now that it's basically finished. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while, now that everything's pretty much decorated, and I could show you guys around, and you can look back at my older video, which I'll link in the description below, as far as what it looked like when I first moved in, and now you can see what it's like now that I've decorated and everything. So a lot of the stuff that I used to furnish my apartment was from Ikea. It's really inexpensive, and the delivery / assembly is really cheap and convenient. So I utilized that for most of my furniture, if not all. The only thing I really had was my mattress. Even the bed frame is from Ikea. And I would highly recommend Ikea. This is the first Ikea that I've been to. I had never even had been to one in the US, but I was absolutely amazed, and I still go back to this day just to look around because that store is so awesome. I really like Ikea. Other than that, I've done some DIYs, and I will link the one from my bathroom makeover DIY in the description below. But most of this stuff is things that I've had from coming from Louisiana and just how I've integrated it into my current apartment. So I hope you guys enjoy. I was gonna explain everything through the video, but I think it's better if I just show you guys, because I mean, the video pretty much speaks for itself. But if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had a great time decorating and really liked the way it came out. I tried to follow a color scheme this time, which is something I didn't really try and do in New Orleans as much, so it was kind of a challenge for me to find things that fit into this white, green, and pink color scheme. So hopefully it came out good and you guys enjoyed, and maybe you can get some inspiration from some of the things that I made for my apartment. If you guys did like this video, be sure to give it a like below, and like I mentioned, I'll link some of my older videos in the description box below just to show you guys about what my apartment looked like when I first moved in, and then also my bathroom makeover, I guess, tutorial that I did when I first moved in. That was the first room that I went ahead and decorated. So if you guys are interested in seeing more videos about my life here in Qatar, I make new videos every Sunday and post them here on my channel. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more if you're interested in that. And I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.